Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com. I want to take a little bit of your time today and answer a question that we commonly get around here, and that is, where is the fuel pump relay on a 1994 to 2004 Mustang? Well, the fuel pump relay is located within what Ford calls the CCRM, or constant control relay module. On 94 and 95 Mustangs, the CCRM is attached to the overflow reservoir bracket, and when you open the hood and locate the overflow reservoir, you'll see right behind it is the CCRM, where the electrical connection attaches to the module itself. On a 1996 to 2004 Mustang, this is for all models except I think a 2000 Cobra R, but there's only 300 of those built. On a 96 to 04 Mustang, the CCRM is located here within the passenger side fender well, and to gain access, you do have to remove the inner fender splash shield. So the reason why we're going to just talk real quick about the CCRM is because A, it contains the fuel pump relay, but B, it also contains the PCM power relay, the AC clutch relay, which is also commonly referred to as a wide open throttle cutoff relay. And basically what that means is whenever the PCM sees wide open throttle from the throttle position sensor, it shuts off the air conditioner or shuts off the air conditioner coil. It also has the relays for the high and low speed electric fan. If you're doing some troubleshooting and you feel like the fuel pump relay could be a reason why your fuel pump or something related to the fuel pump circuitry isn't working, and you've determined that it is the CCRM, you can replace the CCRM with a good used one. You can have the CCRM rebuilt, or if it's available new, you can purchase a new CCRM. Now, depending on the year range and the engine, will determine whether or not a new CCRM is available for your application. As far as the ones we offer here at LMR.com, I'll leave a link in the video description for you to check those out. Out of all the kind of wrenching I've done on these cars, I've never had to replace a CCRM, nor have I ever seen a fuel pump relay fail inside of the CCRM. So take that for what it's worth, but just for clarity purposes, I'm gonna pull this CCRM out of this Mach 1 and I'm gonna show you what's inside of it. There you go, that's about as simple of a device as you can get. You got some basic Bosch relays that control the things I mentioned previously attached to a circuit board. They're actually soldered to the circuit board itself. So that's why I was saying if you're replacing a defective one, you have to get a good used one or purchase a new one. If you feel like going down the rabbit hole to try to, unsolder this yourself and resolder, go for it. I wouldn't hassle with it, honestly, because you're just gonna run the risk of damaging something else. But here's a basic inside look of a constant control relay module. All right, folks, so that's gonna wrap this one up. As always, hope you find value in what we do. If you did, consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. And then till we catch you in the next one for all things 1994 to 2004 Mustang, keep it right here with the Real Enthusiasts, LMR.com.